Alright, kukuhain na natin ending 2 boys. Hindi ko na record yung unang part pero sige. Okay lang yan dahil dito lang tayo dito sa ending 2 na to. Magpapak muna tayo ng mga to. Ay, grabe ba. Ipack natin itong mga to. Pack. Ewan ko ba magkukuha ka pa rin ba ng radio channels dito. Okay, let's go. Tapos sa magpack. Ano pa ipapack ko? We don't have much time, huh? I know, bro. Alright, board the windows. Why do you want to board the windows if you are running, huh? Why do you want to board the windows if you want to run? I already played this. Bam. Next of this game is Night Cup. Bro. Man. Alright, na board, bro. Didn't board all the windows. Wish I have teammates, bro. Got no teammates. Why? This sucks. Alright, for what's that? For ending 2, you need to stay on the cabin. Do not go to the car. Stay on the cabin for ending 2. Alright, so dito na tayo. One urgent message, okay. Some sort of creature is heading towards the Ranger Tower. You have 30 seconds to either leave or hide. I know, but the lights wouldn't budge. What am I supposed to do? Shoot that light bulb? Man, what the freak? Alright, now let's just wait out the time. And let's see what will happen for ending 2. 3, 2, 1. Alright, now there's somebody gonna open that door, and that's a creature that is uglier than you could imagine. Booga. Booga booga. Alright. Booga booga. That's so scary. Alright. Well, this is just a short video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and in the next video I'll be posting this Midnight Cup. See ya.